I just wanted to show you what this bulletproof coffee was like. A lot of people say to me, "What, you've got coffee with butter in it? It must be really greasy." Well, I'm going to show you what it looks like and how we make it. So, first of all, we've got strong filtered coffee. So there's 3 tablespoons of coffee, or like scoops of coffee in the cafetiere. Then I've got a tablespoon of butter, Kerrygold butter, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Then I've got MCT oil, which is like a special oil to take for keto. There's a little bit of hot water in the bottom because I was trying to clean the spoon off because it kind of sticks to the spoon, the coconut oil. What we're going to do is plunge that. Okay, put that in there. Now, if I was to drink that, it would be greasy, but the next step is we're going to blitz it up. So it's in the blender. Like that. And then it's just like a latte. So we're going to pour it off. So have a look at that now, look. It's creamy, just like a latte. It is so nice. And then I get to just drink that last bit before I go to work.